Hey guys, was just going to fit these parts before I paint it again. You've got to put the corners on. Make sure they line up, because if they don't, you're going to have a problem. Well, it can't go like that. It's got to go like this. I think this bracket is in the way. Wait a minute. These quarters, they don't tell you how they go on, so you kind of got to imagine it yourself. A 1970 Mustang is going to have a front end going to kind of look like a Dodge Charger. The new Dodge Chargers. So this will probably be where this goes. And then you do the other one the same way, and then you got your front quarters on. And then we go to the back. Hope this helps you guys that are new.